Hi everyone, Jeffrey Hinyo here and I'm back for another training video about VO2 Max. Ngayon, pag-uusapan naman natin is ano yung mga condition or requirements para matawag nating VO2 Max workout yung ginagawa nating training or workout. So first, it should fall under high intensity. Pag sinabi nating high intensity, it should be around 90 to 100% of your HR or effort. The next one will be the duration of the effort. The longer the duration, the better. The ideal time is 2 to 5 minutes each set if you're doing interval or fartlek. If that was the case, so yung mga short interval, hindi na siya VO2 max workout. Pwede pa rin siya maging VO2 max workout as long as ma-meet niya tong last two conditions na sasabihin ko. It should have a lesser recovery or equal recovery time. The next one is the volume of the effort. So kahit short interval siya, as long as you have a accumulative effort not less than 15 minutes, VO2 max workout pa rin siya. I hope na meron akong idea kung ano yung VO2 max workout. So if you know or if you ever done a VO2 max workout, comment down below kung anong ginawa nyo and let's talk about it on the next video. Thanks for watching and train safe everyone.